Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPad Pro actually includes the LiDAR sensor and that iPad OS and your scanning app are current. Once done, open the scanning app and allow camera and motion access so depth data streams in. Position yourself with a clear line of sight to the subject, roughly 5 to 3 meters away, and avoid shiny or transparent objects that confuse depth returns. Begin a slow, steady tracking motion. Don't rush. Stability yields accurate point clouds. Once scanning starts, you must move deliberately. Use smooth arcs and overlap each pass so the LiDAR can register features from multiple perspectives. Make a full sweep for general geometry, then approach details at about 0.5 to 1 meter to capture fine edges. Monitor the live mesh or point cloud in-app and pause to fill holes. Multiple short passes trump one fast pan. If the app supports markers or anchors, place them to help align scans for later stitching. Finish by letting the app process the captured frames into a mesh and inspect for gaps or noise. You should apply smoothing or decimation to reduce file size while preserving geometry, then export in the format your workflow requires, OBJ or PLY for modeling, UST for R. If scans misalign or show jitter, rescan the overlap zones or use the app's manual alignment tools to register fragments. A key troubleshooting tip: when depth looks wrong, toggle ambient light or add diffuse markers and rescan the problematic area.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.